I wish to thank every one of you for being with us today. 10th year, because in terms of number of annual days celebrated, it will be 12. Because last year we had 2 days annual day program, and currently this year also we have two programs. I'm also happy, like I said yesterday, more number of chairs are occupied, and whatever we have ordered, that's also being used today. Thank you. Couple of more things. I think Shobhana teacher can explain this Sanskrit drama, some of the events if it is possible. Not now, later. Okay. Now she has a flow of things that will be, and then it will take more time for us to complete it. So that, I thought it has a lot of values which probably many of us, including me, would not have understood if it is not explained before. ஏன்னா இந்த வார்த்தை முன்னாடி இருக்கு இல்லையா, இதை படிக்கிறதுக்கே எனக்கு ஒரு 4 நாள் ஆச்சு. சிம்மவ லோகனம் அப்படின்னு நேத்திக்கும் I tried to explain, and again I thought I don't want to explain again. It is to look at the back, in the past, and say what we have done. Have we done the right thing? And do we proceed again? And how do we do it? It's applicable to India, it's applicable to Manthan and every one of us. Eight years back, Mr. Ganapathy and Mrs. Sumati approached us to admit their twins. And she called up from Hosur, and she said she'll pay the fees before the designated date. We were wondering whether they'll come back and pay it, because they said they don't have a house in Chennai. They have to come from Hosur, fix up a house, and then do it. So I used to say, if anybody says, I don't know how to get a house, I'll say, go and meet Mr. Ganapathy. I don't know how many times he must have changed house, but he just does it in a jiffy. So whoever wants to have a house nearby the school, contact Mr. Ganapathy. And of course, he was telling me the difficulties in finding a house and how he had to vacate one house within 3 months. So Mr. Ganapathy is doing business in building materials, supply and erection, granites and marble. And Mrs. Sumati Ganapathy, she did her schooling from Chennai. She completed her BCom from University of Madras, MA from Annamalai, and subsequently she has been with corporate enterprises like Lifestyle. If it's unword now, Scope E-Knowledge, Excite Batteries. She has been in the administration and with the director's office all along. Currently, she is with Results Marine. It's an offshoot of India Cements and Cholala. So I'm glad they accepted to be the chief guest today. They came and approached us in the month of May 2004. So I have no words to thank. When they were saying that you have other schools are not inviting parents like this, and then they are calling chief guests from well-known institutions or industry, I said we have no way to thank parents who have been with us for quite some time. This is the only way we do. So thank you very much for coming today and gracing the occasion. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I'll explain this Sanskrit drama a little later. Meanwhile, we'll continue with our show today. Mailatam, Kuilatam, Uilatam, Silambatam. These are the traditional dance forms of Tamil Nadu. How are these dances recognized and appreciated? Let's see the pre-KG prelude. Is popularly known as Raja Raja the Great, Raja Raja Cholan. He is one of the greatest emperors of Tamil Chola Empire of India who ruled between 985 and 1014 CE. He established the Chola Empire by conquering the kingdoms of southern India, expanding the Chola Empire as far as Sri Lanka in the south and Kalinga in the northeast. We have the Raja Raja Cholans here coming.
Raja Matanda, Raja Gambira, Raja Kulatilaga, Raja Raja Cholan, Varan, Varan, Varan. வணக்கம் அரசே. வளமையும் செருமையும் கொதிக்கும் நம் நாட்டில் நின் புகழை போற்றி பாடவும் தங்களை மகிழ்விக்கவும் பல கலைஞர்கள் திரண்டு வந்துள்ளனர். நம்முடைய உயிராகவும் மூச்சாகவும் உள்ள தமிழை உயர்த்தி பாட புலவர் ஒருவர் வந்துள்ளார். வரச்சல். வணக்கம் அரசே. நஞ்சை கலைஞர்களின் நாயகனே நீ வாழ்க. நடனமிடும் காவேரி காவலனே நீ வாழ்க. தஞ்சமென வருவோருக்கு தஞ்சம் வழங்குகின்ற தஞ்சை பெருமன்னன் ராஜராஜனே நீ வாழ்க, நீ வாழ்க, நீ வாழ்க. ஆஹா ஆஹா மகிழ்ந்தோம். என் புலமை. யாரெங்கே? உன் புலமைக்கு என்னுடைய பரிசு பெற்றுக் கொள்ளுங்கள். மந்திரியாரே, விருந்து செவிக்கு மட்டும்தானோ, கண்களுக்கு இல்லையோ? இதோ அரசியாரே, வர சொல்லுங்கள்.
அறிவோம் நன்றாக குருவே வழித்தோன, அறிவோம் நன்றாக குருவே வழித்தோன, அறின்னு சொன்னாரே நம்மதோர. முந்தி முந்தி வரும் முக்கண்ணனார் மகன், கந்தருக்கு நல்ல முன்பிறந்த எங்கள், கந்தருக்கு நல்ல முன்பிறந்த எங்கள் கணபதியாரே முன்னடவாய். ஐந்து கரத்தோனே ஆனை முகத்தோனே, கூவுது பார்மையில் கூவுது பார்மையில் கூவுது பார்மையில் கூவுது பார்மையில் கொட்டமடியிலேறி கூவுதுவார். வேட்டைக்கு போன சுப்பிரமணியரும் சின்ன கணத்தில கல்லு கட்டி நல்ல, சின்ன கணத்தில கல்லு கட்டி நல்ல சிங்காரமாகவே பட்டுடுத்தி சேவல் கொடியுடன் சுப்பிரமணியரும் வெள்ளிக்கிழமையில வீடு மொழுவையில, வெள்ளிக்கிழமையில வீடு மொழுவையில வத்தியில கேட்டாரா நம்மதோர. வள்ளி தெய்வானைய இடது போறா வச்சு, சக்கரங்கள் வந்து சமஞ்சிருக்க இங்க, சக்கரங்கள் வந்து சமஞ்சிருக்க இங்க, சபையோரெல்லாம் வடம் பிடிக்க தேக்கம் பலவையில தேர்களை செஞ்சு,
என்ன ஒரு திறமை. அடுத்தது வீரத்தை வெளிப்படுத்த சிலம்பாட்டக்காரரும் வந்துள்ளனர். பல கலைகளை வளர்த்த சிவபக்தனே ராஜராஜ சோழனே நீ வாழ்க. தஞ்சையை தலைநகராக கொண்டவனே நீ வாழ்க. கோபுர நிழல் கீழே விழாதபடி தஞ்சை பெரிய கோவில் என்ற பிரகதீஸ்வரர் கோவிலை கட்டியவனே நீ வாழ்க. சுய ஆட்சி முறையை கொண்டவனே நீ வாழ்க. தஞ்சை கோயில் ஒரே கல்லில் பெரிய நந்தியை செய்தவனே நீ வாழ்க. தேவாரம், திருவாசகம், திருமந்திரம் போன்ற அரிய பாடல்களின் தொகுப்பை அளித்தவனே நீ வாழ்க. ராஜராஜ சோழன் வாழ்க, ராஜராஜ சோழன் வாழ்க, ராஜராஜ சோழன் வாழ்க.
Wow, that was the court of Rajaraja Chola. During that period, people prospered and people enjoyed peace. The king provided avenues for different art, architecture, craft, music and dance to flourish. As a participant and as a public in the court, I'm sure you enjoyed the last 10 minutes, the performance by the first standard children. Please give them a big cheer. Before we move on to the next program, I have a nice information to share with you. All the dialogues that are there in any of the drama here are all recorded by the children in their own voice. We heard a comment by some of the parents yesterday that they were just acting and someone else was talking behind the stage. It is not true. They are all recorded by the children. Only for some of the small things for LKG, the UKG children have recorded it for them. But otherwise, everything is in their own voice, in your children's voice. Another doha for you. 600 years ago, Kabir was born in India in 1398 AD. He lived for 120 years and is said to have relinquished his body in 1518. The hallmark of Kabir's poetry is that he conveys in his two-line poems, Doha, what others may not be able to do in many pages. Another beauty of Kabir's poetry is that he picks up situations that surround our daily life. Thus, even today, Kabir's poetry is relevant and helpful in guiding and regulating our life in both social and spiritual contexts. An example is here. Curtains open, please, for our viewers. Abhiram's mother, second UKG Sabari, please come and take your second child.
हर घर की कहानी है। शाम का समय है, बच्चे स्कूल से लौटे हैं। माँ हम आ गए, कल छुट्टी है। अरे आ गए तुम, जाओ हाथ पाँव धोकर आओ और कुछ खा लो। कैसा गया आज का दिन? कुछ होमवर्क है क्या? हाँ है माँ, साइंस का है, मैथ्स का है, चार्ट भी बनाना है। मुझे इंग्लिश, तमिल और हिंदी मिला है। पहले होमवर्क करो। नहीं, हमारे फेवरेट कार्टून देखना है। कल तो छुट्टी है ना माँ, होमवर्क कल करेंगे। आधा घंटा टीवी देखो और फिर होमवर्क करो, ठीक है? ठीक है।
ये है टॉम एंड जेरी शो, जहाँ चाहे अलग मचाए दोनों। टॉम एंड जेरी।
बच्चे टीवी देखते देखते सो जाते हैं। अगले दिन सुबह, बच्चों उठो, कितनी देर सो रहे हो? माँ छुट्टी है ना माँ, प्लीज सोने दो ना। अब मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी, कुछ सबक सीखने दो। होमवर्क करो। आइए, नमस्ते। नमस्ते, आप कैसे हो? मैं अच्छी हूँ, ये लीजिए। इसकी क्या जरूरत है? आंटी आ गई, चलो खेलने चलेंगे। बच्चे खेलने चले गए, कल शाम से खेल रहे हैं। अरे श्रीनिधि, 9 बज गए, अब मैं चलती हूँ। बच्चों के साथ घर आना जरूर। बच्चों, होमवर्क का क्या? हाँ माँ, साइंस प्रोजेक्ट है, मैथ्स का सम्स करना है, इंग्लिश पोएम याद करनी है, तमिल भी है। हाँ है। अब क्या करें? Did you see the result of postponing the work? आज करें तो आज कर, आज करें तो अब, पहले करें होएगी, बहुरी करेगा तब कबीरा, बहुरी करेगा।
We, the students of classes 7 and 8, are now going to present the play Macbeth, written by William Shakespeare.
We would like to introduce the characters before we begin.
Macbeth, the lead character of the play.
Banquo, Macbeth's friend.
Lady Macbeth, Macbeth's wife.
The three witches who plot Macbeth's downfall.
Ross, Angus, Macduff, and Lennox, the noblemen of Scotland.
Porter, King Duncan's personal guard.
Donalbain and Malcolm, King Duncan's sons. This play revolves around Macbeth, the Thane of Glamis. It begins when he, along with his friend Banquo, return after quelling a rebellion. They meet three witches who foretell that he would soon become the Thane of Cawdor and the King of Scotland. Macbeth is enamored by the prophecy and almost believes it when subsequently the king makes him the Thane of Cawdor. He informs his wife of these events and she pushes him into murdering the king. He concedes and duly kills the king, laying the blame on the guards who are guarding the king. 4 scenes will be enacted trying to portray the drama that occurs with the unfolding of the opening of this story's plot. Act 1, Scene 1. The three witches talk among themselves.
When shall we meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain? When the hurly-burly is done, when the battle's lost and won.
That'll be ere the set of sun.
Where the place? Upon the heath.
There to meet with Macbeth.
I come, Grey Malkin. Paddock calls.
And run.
Fairest, 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 and hold the
Forward through the fog until the end.
Act 1, Scene 3. The three witches meet Macbeth and Banquo and tell them of their future.
Where hast thou been, sister? Killing swine. Sister, where thou? A sailor's wife had chestnuts in her lap, and munched and munched and munched. Give me, quoth I, around thee which, rump-fed Ronnie and Christ, her husband's to the Aleppo gone, master of the tiger, but in a sea while to the sail, and like a rat without a tail, I'll do what I'll do.
I'll give thee wind,
Thou art kind.
and I another. For I myself have all the other, and the very ports they blow, all the quarters that they know. Of the shipman's cart, I'll drain and dry say, sleep he shall by the night of day, hang upon his penthouse lid, he shall live a man forbid. Weary 7 nights, 9 times 9, shall he dwindle peak and pine, and though his bark cannot be lost, yet it shall be tempest-tossed. Look what I have here.
Show me, show me.
Here I have a pirate's thumb, like this homeward he did come. A drum, Macbeth doth come. The weird sisters, hand in hand, posters of the sea and land, thus do go about, thrice to die and thrice to mine, and thrice again to make up 9. Peace, the charms wound up.
The foul and fair day I have not seen.
How far is it called to forest? While are they so withered and so lined in their attire that look not like the inhabitants of the earth, and yet are on it. Live you, or are you aught that man may question? You seem to understand me, but each at once drop his finger, laying upon her skinny lips. You should be women, and yet your beards forbid me to interpret that you are so.
Speak if you can. What are you?
All hail Macbeth, hail to thee, Thane of Glamis.
All hail Macbeth, hail to thee, Thane of Cawdor. All hail Macbeth, that shall be king hereafter.
Good sir, why do you start and seem to fear things that do sound so fair? In the name of truth, are ye fantastical, and that indeed which outwardly ye show? My noble partner, you weep with present grace and great prediction of noble having and of royal hope. That he seems rapt with all. To me you speak not? If you can look into the seeds of time and say, which grain will grow and which will not, speak then to me, whom as I beg, not fear your favors nor your hate.
Hail! Hail! Hail!
Lesser than Macbeth and greater.
Not so happy, yet much happier. Thou shalt get king, though thou be none. So all hail Macbeth and Banquo.
Banquo and Macbeth, all hail.
King, you imperfect speaker, tell me more. By Sinel's death, I know I'm the Thane of Glamis, but how of Cawdor? The Thane of Cawdor lives.
The earth has bubbles like the water has, and these are of them. Whither are they vanished?
Into the air, and what's incorporeal melted as breath into the wind. Would they have said?
For such things here as we don't speak about, or have we eaten on the insane root that takes the wheels and prisoner?
Your children shall be kings,
You shall be king.
and the Thane of Cawdor too. Went it not so?
To the self-same tune and words. Who's here?
The king hath happily received, Macbeth, the news of thy success, and when he reads thy personal venture in the rebels' fight, his wonders and praises do content which should be thine or his. Silence with that, and viewing over the rest of the self-same day, he finds thee in stout Norwegian ranks, nothing afraid of what thyself didst make. Strange images of death, as thick as a tale, can post with post, and everyone did bear thy praises in his kingdom's great defense, and pour them down before him.
We are sent to give thee from our royal master thanks, only to herald thee into his sight, not pay thee.
And for an earnest of a greater honor, he bade me from him call thee Thane of Cawdor, in which addition, hail, most worthy Thane, for it is thine.
What? Can the devil speak true?
The Thane of Cawdor lives. Why do you dress me in borrowed robes? Who was the Thane lives yet, but under heavy judgment bears that life, which he deserves to lose, whether he was combined with those of Norway, or it lined the rebel, with hidden health and vantage, or that with both. He labored in his country's track, I know not, but treason's capital, confessed and proved, have overthrown him. Glamis and Thane of Cawdor, the greatest is behind. Thanks for your pains. Do you not hope that your children shall be kings? When those that gave the Thane of Cawdor to me, promise no less to them.
That trusted home might yet engendle you onto the crown, despite the Thane of Cawdor. But 'tis strange, and oftentimes even us to all harm. The instruments of darkness kill us truth, bring us with honest choices, to betray in deepest consequence. Cousins, a word I pray you.
Scene 2. Lady Macbeth, who plots the death of King Duncan and forces Macbeth to kill him.
That which had made them drunk had made me bold. What had quenched them had given me fire, heart, peace. It was the owl that shrieked, the fatal bellman, which gives the servants good night. He is about it. The doors are open, and the surfeited rooms do mock their charge with snores. I have drunk their possess, that death and nature do contend about them, whether they live or die.
Who's there? What? How?
Alas, I'm afraid they are awake, and 'tis not done. The attempt and not the deed confounds us. Hark! I laid their daggers ready. He could not miss them. Had he not resembled my father as he slept? I had done. My husband.
I have done the deed. Didst thou not hear a noise?
I heard the owl scream and the crickets cry. Did not you speak?
When?
Now.
As I descended?
Aye.
Hark! Who lights the second chamber?
Donna Benz.
This is a sorry sight.
A fool is taught to say a sorry sight. Consider it not so deeply.
But wherefore could not I pronounce Amen? I had most need of blessing, and Amen stuck in my throat.
These deeds must not be taught after these ways. So, it will make us mad.
Methought I heard a voice cry, sleep no more. Macbeth does murder sleep, the innocent sleep. Sleep that knits up the ravel sleeve of care. The death of each day's life, so labor's bath. Balm of earth mine, great nature second course. Chief nourisher in life's feast.
What do you mean?
Still it cries, sleep no more. To all the house, Glamis hath murdered sleep, and therefore Corder shall sleep no more. Macbeth shall sleep no more.
Who was it that thus cried? Why? Were it ten? You do unbend your noble strength to think so brain-sickly of things. Go get some water, and wash this filthy witness from your hands. Why did you bring these daggers from the place? They must lie there. Go carry them and smear the sleepy grooms with blood.
I go no more. I am afraid to think what I have done. Look on again. I dare not.
Infirm of purpose. Give me the daggers. The sleeping and the dead are but as pictures. 'Tis the childhood that fears a painted devil. If he do bleed, I gild the faces of the grooms withal, for it must seem their guilt.
Whence is that knocking? How is it with me when every noise appalls me? What hands are here? Ha! They pluck out mine eyes. Will all great Neptune's ocean wash his blood clean from my hand? No, this my hand will rather. The multitudinous seas incarnadine, making the green one red.
My hands are of your color, but I'm ashamed to wear a heart so white. I hear a knocking at the south entry. Retire we to our chamber. A little water clears us of this deed. How easy is it then? Your constancy had left you unattended. Hark! More knocking. Get on your nightgown. Let occasion call us and show us to be watchers. Be not lost so poorly in your thoughts.
To know my deed, 'twere best not know myself. Wake, Duncan, with thy knocking, I would thou couldst.
Act 2, Scene 3.
Ah, yes, a knocking indeed. If a man were porter of Hell's Gate, he should have hold turning the key. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there in the name of Beelzebub? Here's a farmer that hanged himself on the expectation of plenty. Come in time. Have napkins enough about you. Here, you'll sweat for it. Was it so late, friend? As you went to bed? But you do lie so late. Wait, sir. We are carousing till the second cock. And drink, sir. It's a great provoker of three things. I believe drink gave thee the lie last night. That it did, sir. Ah, in the very throat on me. But I requited him for his life. And I think, being too strong for him, though it took up my legs sometime, yet I made a shift to cast him. Is that master stirring? Our knocking has awaked him. Here he comes. Good morrow, noble sir.
Good morrow, both.
Is the king stirring Gobi then?
Not yet.
He did command me to call timely on him. I have almost slipped the hour.
I'll bring you to him.
I know this is a joyful trouble to you, but yet this one.
The labor we delight in physics pain, this is the door.
I'll make so bold to call for this my limited service. goes the king hence today.
He does. He did appoint so.
The night has been unruly. That delay, our chimneys are blown down. And as they say, lamenting stirred in the air, same screams of death, and prophesying with accents terrible, of dire conversion and confused events, new hatched the awful time. The obscure bird clamored the livelong night. Some say the earth was feverish and did shake.
Quasar of night.
My young remembrance cannot parallel a fellow to it. Oh, horror, horror, horror! Tongue nor heart cannot conceive, nor name thee.
What's the matter?
Fusion no heart made his masterpiece. Most sacrilegious murder has broke hope. The Lord's anointed temple and stole them. The life worth building.
What did you say? The life?
Me knew his majesty. Approach the chamber and destroy your sight with a new gargan. Do not bid me speak. See and then speak yourself. Awake! Awake! Ring the alarm bell! Murder! Treason! Banco! Donald Ben! Malcolm! Awake! Shake off this downy sleep! Death's counterfeit and look on death itself! Up! Up and see the great doom's image! Banco! Malcolm! As from your graves rise up and walk like sprites to countenance this horror. Ring the bell! What's the business that such a hideous trumpet calls to parley? The sleepers of the house, speak, speak! Oh, gentle ladies, it is not for you to hear what I can speak. The repetition in the woman's ear would murder as it fell. Oh, Banco, Banco, our royal master is murdered! Whoa, alas! What? In our house?
Too cruel anywhere. Be adept, I pity. Contradict thyself and say it is not so.
Had I but died an hour before this chance, I had lived a blessed time far from this instant. There is nothing serious in mortality, all but his toys. Renown and grace is dead, the wine of life is drawn, and the mere lees is left this wall to brag of.
What is amiss?
You are and do not know it, the spring, the head, the fountain of your blood is stopped, the very source of it is stopped.
Your royal father is murdered! Oh, by whom? Those of his chambers, as it seems, hard done. Their hands and faces were all bagged with blood. So are their daggers, which unwiped we found upon their pillows. They stand and were distracted. No man's life was to be trusted with them.
Oh, yet, I do repent me of my fury, that I did kill them.
Wherefore did you so?
Who can be wise, amazed, temperate, and furious, loyal, and neutral in a moment? No man. The expedition of my violent love outrun the pauser, reason. Here lay Duncan, his silver skin laced with golden blood, and his gas stabs look like a beach in nature. For ruins wasteful entrance, they the murderers, steeped in the colors of their trade, their daggers, unmannerly breathed with gore. Who could refrain that had a heart to love, and in that heart courage to make love known?
Help me hence! Oh, look to the lady! Why do we hold our tongues while most may claim this argument for us? What should be spoken here? Whereof it? Even an auger hole, where us shall feed us. Let's obey, our tears are not yet bruised. Nor our strong sorrow upon the foot of motion.
Look to the lady. And when we have our untold frailties hid, that's open exposure. Let us meet and question this most bloody piece of work to move it further. Fears and scruples shake us. In the great hand of God, I stand and tense against the undivulged pretense to fight of ceaseless malice.
And so do I. So
Let's briefly put on manly readiness and meet in the hall together.
well contented.
Donald Bain and Malcolm, having been accused of their father's murder, flee. However, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth get embroiled with guilt, so much so that they move from pillar to post to save themselves from their own conscience. Lady Macbeth becomes insane and kills herself. Macbeth resorts to taking help from the three witches for every move of his, and the witches, being themselves, connivingly push Macbeth from floor to floor. To safeguard himself, Macbeth goes on a killing spree. In the end, Macbeth is killed by Macduff and Malcolm ascends the throne.
Hello, children. Shall we all sit down? Hello. I also request parents to take care of children who are playing everywhere, and that too, especially pre-KG, LKG children are playing. Kindly take care of them. So we have got an occasion after 8 years to thank her. So this is the occasion, and I now request Mrs. Supati Ganapati to give her Anugrah Bhashan.
Namaskaram. Good evening to everyone. Swaminathan sir, Geeta madam, teachers, parents and dear children. It's been really wonderful to be in the midst of young minds and talents. You just bring back sweet memories. Sir, I agreed to just have a good sense of belonging with the school. And they told me that history is the theme for this annual day. It could not be a more appropriate theme than history. It gives our rich past history teaches a lot of values to children, which I think is more important than academic education. And Manthan takes a lot of effort in giving values to children in addition to the education. And I thank everyone for that. It was wonderful being with the children. And I'm sure with the Himalayan efforts of the teacher, staff, members, and of course the cooperation of the children only, this is possible. I think they started all the rehearsals after the exams only. Just in a span of 2 weeks and it's very nice. And it was wonderful to see small children doing the Rajaraja Chola. And I think it will not be out of place now to take an opportunity to thank Swaminathan sir for all the hard work, untiring hard work he along with his team of members have been doing to bring the school to this level. I still remember Indira Nagar it was in a house, and now our own school, our own building, our own place to conduct the annual day and sports. Like the Manthan children and the member staff, I feel proud and happy. And I thank once again. And I'm sure, and I thank him especially to give a tiny part or opportunity. Like there are so many parents here who have been with them right from the beginning. It's so nice. I'm sure that is because of the quality. And more than education, especially support staff, எல்லாருமே இந்த எல்கேஜிலேருந்து அந்த கவனிச்சுக்கிற அந்த விதத்துக்கோசரம் தான் I think people stick to Manthan. And that is the reason I am also here with my 2 children. And thank you once again. And I congratulate and I wish all the children very good. And thank you very much.
Thank you. I just want to tell you that I did not do much in the whole event. And I should honestly admit that it is the teachers, support staff, and children. நான் வந்து ஒன்றும் பண்ணலை. ஸோ அதனால் ஐ வாண்ட் டு செட் த ரெக்கார்ட் ஸ்ட்ரைட். அப்புறம் ஒரே ஒரு பாயிண்ட்டு, எக்ஸாமுக்கு அப்புறம் அப்படின்னா, எக்ஸாமாக இருந்தது உங்களுக்குலாம் ஒர்க் ஷீட்டா எக்ஸாமா? ஒர்க் ஷீட் கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க. நாங்கள் மட்டுக்கு சேஃபாக இருந்துருக்கோம். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
பண்ணலன்ட்டு சார் இல்லாமல் மந்தன் இல்லை. தட் இஸ் வாட் இஸ் வெரி கிளியர் டு ஆல் ஆஃப் அஸ்.
ये है शेख घनश्याम और ये है रामू काका। शेख घनश्याम बहुत ही दयालु और दानी है, वे सबकी मदद करते हैं। एक दिन उनके घर एक चोर घुस आता है। आगे देखिए। खाने खाने चोर 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 जी चोर चोर। अरे रामू काका क्या हुआ? चोर कहाँ है? चोर, यह चोर हमारे घर के अंदर घुस आया है। अरे बस करो, बच्चे की जान लेगा क्या? रामू काका तेरा पानी और कुछ खाने के लिए ले आओ। बाटो, तुम हट्टे कट्टे नौजवान हो, चोरी क्यों? क्या बताऊं सेठ जी, मेरे पिताजी बचपन में ही दिल बसे। माँ ने घरों के बर्तन मांझ कर हमारी परवरिश की। मेरी बड़ी बहन की शादी भी नहीं हुई। इसके अलावा मेरे पास कोई भी चारा नहीं था। हे भगवान, क्यों इस बेचारे को इतना कष्ट दे रहे हो? धैर्य रखो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। तुम मेरे साथ कुछ दिन रहकर काम सीखो, फिर तुम अपना कोई काम शुरू कर सकते हो। धन्यवाद सेठ जी, आप तो भगवान के रूप है। बुरे काम से किसी का भला नहीं होता। अब मैं बुरे काम कभी नहीं करूँगा। The thief, pricked by the goodness of the merchant, decided to mend his way henceforth.
Thank you, children. Before